Introducing the Classic 100, LEVOIT's state-of-the-art humidifier that stands apart from the competition. Its watertight design helps the Classic 100 last longer by protecting the circuit board and other crucial parts. Safeguards, such as the patented air outlet valve, keep the interior parts dry. The efficient transducer creates mist as small as 5 micrometers. The fine mist rises as high as 39 inches, dispersing more effectively throughout rooms. When the sun goes down, the soft blue nightlight helps you unwind. Enjoy a peaceful night of sleep while the Classic 100 operates at a volume that's quieter than a library humidifier. The water tank's wide opening makes it easy to refill. Enjoy up to 24 hours of continuous humidity to adjust the direction of your mist. Add humidity to your air with the Classic 100. LEVOIT.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.